And now, Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kamaka Pili.
Sunday coming to a close. It's a beautiful sight outside. Some cloud coverage going through. Now for our threats tomorrow, ocean conditions remain on a high level, and that's because we have this first large winter swell coming in for the northwest, which is triggering some high surf advisories for portions of our islands. Now that's for the north and west facing shores from Ni'ihau all the way down through Maui. Now that is up until at least Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock, and a small craft advisory until Tuesday in the evening at 6 o'clock, and that has to do with our winds. Now, for those that swell will be peaking Monday, and then that will start its decreasing trend following that. Now, looking at our satellite, we have this cold front that's really just been situated here for the past few days, and will actually get closer because it will be being pushed down as this high pressure system follows that. Now, that's going to be a big contributor to the weakening of our winds, which will start tomorrow, but really starting Tuesday into Wednesday when we'll start to see a lot of activity going on. Actually, I forgot I had this. So that low pressure system will be the high pressure system will be pushing that cold front. A low pressure system will form north of the islands, which will contribute to the prolonged time that we're going to be having light winds. And at the same time, as we get to the middle of the week, low pressure systems will be forming together, and we're actually going to have these two cold fronts that's going to be coming through. So Halloween evening, we're going to have this cold front kind of pushed off towards the east of all the islands. Fortunately, the rain activity for that day is looking to be better in our favor for that evening. So as we're looking at this, we see that cold front coming down from the north, but we also have a disturbance of moisture moving up from the south. So we really have some moisture flanking the islands. That's right now Tuesday morning, and as we progress into Tuesday evening, we can start to see that really merge together, come together Wednesday. So Wednesday's the day we're really going to be seeing a lot of stormy activity, hopefully starting to dry out by Thursday, looking to have about 10 to 20 chance of rain during the Halloween trick-or-treating time. Now looking at our He'inalu, 18 to 24 up north for the high surf advisory, 12 to 18 on the west. Only experienced surfers, anybody else not experienced, the other south and east facing shores will be best for you. Now again, looking at Halloween evening, as of right now, we're seeing a drier trend. The most moisture that we're seeing, though, is situated really over Hawaii Island, which are looking to have about 50 to 70% chance of rain that evening. For the rest of the islands, as of right now, that's looking about 10 to 20% chance. So hopefully setting up to be a great trick-or-treat evening. Now the winds will be here tomorrow, but weakening trend will start, leading to variable winds starting Tuesday into really into all the way to next weekend and past our extended forecast. So just know, enjoy those breezes while we have it, because a hot time is coming up. Sam, toss it back to you.